Hi guys! Today we'll learn how to make a wish list on Temu. First, open the Temu app on your phone. On the home page, you'll see many different products showing on the screen. Now choose any product you like and tap on it to open the product page. This is where we'll check if the wish list option is available or not. After opening the product, look near the product image or below the details. If your region supports the feature, you'll see a heart icon there. Simply tap the heart icon and the item will be added to your wish list instantly. Honestly, this is the easiest way to save products for later. Now, sometimes users don't see the heart icon, and that's completely normal. This happens because some regions have this feature available, while some regions don't show it yet. So if the heart icon is missing on your screen, it means Wishlist may not be available in your location right now. Luckily, app updates can bring this feature later. If you added the product successfully, now go back to the home screen. Look at the bottom menu and tap on the profile or me icon. This section contains your account options, saved items, and settings. So now we'll open the wish list from here. Where to click, tap on Wishlist Favorites. Inside the profile page, look for Wishlist or Favorites option. Tap on it and you'll see all products you saved earlier. You can open any product later whenever you want to buy it. This makes shopping easier because your favorite items stay organized. And that's how you can make a wish list on Temu step by step. If the option is missing, it may simply be unavailable in your region right now. So don't worry. If this tutorial helped you, subscribe now and comment which app tutorial you want next.